That's right. Coming to you all day and all night. They all, I don't have to mention them because they're superstars. We're gonna do a little something like this.
Alex and Marilyn, they're loving and thirsty and howling. The grasshopper unit is prowling, and Rufus is back home prowling. For all of y'all that be dozing on hornblowers later hosing, like Walter the heat is bruising, and in the Swiss Hall of Fame he goes in. 'Cause when he's out in space carousing, pick up the mic and start jousting. My nameplate medallion says never trust a hell 9000. Are these three fools back at it again? Inspector Clouseau and Derek Flint. Nothing but sparks igniting. Check 2, 1, 2, mic testing. This one goes out to Dead Jim. Rise, fallen fighters, take your stance again. Don't think too much about the color of his skin. Berlin vegetarian shark's fin. Trying to keep my life no violence. Mario, rewind the tape and burn your man. Chuck D with the wicked number Ben I'm in.
better batten down those hatches. Stop procrastinating.
Well, I'm Mike D with the story to tell. And when I rock the crowd they all yell. And when I get the feeling, I feel the feel swell. Is when I start the rhyme, I run the rhyme well. Went to the top and never went poppin'. Came back down, but still not stopping. I'm not even asking, yo, what's cracking? Serving MCs on the platter like a baked Alaskan. So stop backing, calls on backing. The game of hip hop representing Manhattan. And push the pause button, then stop ducking. You heard me like I'm
and I was trying on the Batgirl costume. What's wrong with that? Now I was a Catwoman.
Hey Adam, it's Felicia. Hey Mike, it's Felicia. Hey Adam, it's Felicia.
Never give a fuck, 'cause I'm Felicia.